All right, so the next tool that we are going to learn here is Keyword Planner. With using Keyword Planner, we can import all of the keywords, the list that we have created. We can import them into Keyword Planner, analyze them, and get also more ideas. So let's get started. Come here, and here I have written Keyword Planner Home. Click on it. It will go to Keyword Planner, and the thing is that you have to sign up. If you don't have a Google account, Gmail, you have to create one, sign up here, and usually when you sign up, it will take you to some other pages. You can come back here by coming to Tools and click on Keyword Planner. Okay, it will bring you to the same page. Here we have two options: find new keywords and get search volume and forecasts. Now what we need right now is finding new keywords for our list. So click on find new keywords, and here you have to write down the keywords that you have. You can write down 1, you can write down 100, right? So let's go back to our web page here, and here we had some couple of keywords, around 10 keywords, and let's come back here in Keyword Planner and just paste them all. Then click on Get Started. On the next page, you can see that Keyword Planner analyzed the keyword that we wrote down, and also it is suggesting so much more keywords in these areas. You can see we can come down, and there are too many keywords here, right? So the thing here is that beside getting new ideas, also pay attention to the search volume, to CPC, to the competition. Also here you can see average monthly search, and by any chance, if you forgot what does each of these means, just hover your mouse on it and it will explain it to you, right? So you can come down, get new ideas, and add these new ideas to your keyword list. For example, here we have PPC management, PPC marketing, SEO online, e-commerce company, SEO content, SEO firm. We can come down. You see there are a lot of. Also, if you pay attention at the top, we have a period of time for the last. It is showing us the result of the last 12 months. So if you want to change the time, for example, last 24 months or last month, you can change the period of time. You will get a different result, and then you can select the keywords that you want and come here, click on download keywords, and it will download the list for you. Now there's one thing that we have to do here. On the next part, we are going to talk about Google Trend. Now on Google Trend, you have the ability to compare up to 5 keywords, up to 5 phrases at the same time, right? So from the list that we have to select something between 5 up to 20 keywords, right? So here you have your own list. Also you have some additional ideas. What I'm suggesting to you is to just select the ones that you think you're gonna rank. Select the ones that you think, for example, they have a low competition, but also they have a good search volume. And you see, for example, the competition here on marketing campaign is 0.17, which is really good. You can come up in this keyword easily with a little effort. But anyway, select between 5 to 20 keywords that you think they are the best, right? From here, we are going on the next lecture, we are going to talk about Google Trend, and we are going to compare these. And you can it is really hard to compare, for example, 100 keyword together. So that is why I'm suggesting you to just select between 5 to 20, 25 tops keywords, so you can compare them and get a good result out of it. All right, so more or less that was all for this lecture for Keyword Planner. And if you're ready, let's go for Google Trend.